Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another baby that was abducted again at a hospital in Jamaica. It seems like this is about to be a reoccurring thing. In 2019, people are just gonna start stealing people's babies. For what reason, I don't know, but I have my theories and we'll talk about those later on in the video. The article says, Denham police officers are now scoring security footage in an attempt to quickly rescue a newborn who was stolen from Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston on Wednesday morning. Loop News understands that about 4:30 a.m. the child mother went to the bathroom to freshen up, leaving the baby on the bed. But on her return, her newborn baby was missing. An alarm was immediate. Personnel from the hospital and the Denham Town Police are meeting to deal with the abduction. We will have an update as soon as possible. For the media, a representative of the corporate communications unit told the Loop News, Claude Mills, this is the second such abduction of a baby in less than a week. Last week, Walton Evans, 41, and Latoya White, 34, the parents of 3-week-old Vernisha Evans, were distraught when their child was snatched from them at a Cornwall Regional Hospital. The police acted quickly and recovered the baby 2 days later. So, people are stealing babies, and my theory as to why they're doing this is because I'm gonna say a lot. Some of the women in Jamaica have this tendency where they want to use men and where they want to trick man, and most of the time they do this to overseas men, and they tell the men that they're pregnant and the man send out money for them, money for the baby, or money for abortion, or money to take care of themselves. And after a while of you lying and telling a man that you're pregnant, they're going to want to see proof, they're going to want to see evidence, and they're also going to want to see a baby. And most of the time, these are the reason why people go out, some of the reason why people go out and steal babies, because they're trying to keep up a lie, basically. And another thing, some women just cannot have kids, they just cannot conceive a child, and they're so desperate to have a child and desperate to be a mom that they go out and steal other people's children. But it's bigger, like it's 2019. These things are not supposed to be happening so often. These hospitals are supposed to be safe and secured in a way where these children or these newborns are protected and safe at all times. And if they're putting this out, a picture of the abductor should have been put out already also, and a picture of the baby. But that's neither here nor there. I hope they find this child quickly, and if they don't find her quickly, this person is probably gonna have this child forever and do all sort of manner of evil to the child if not. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.